Explosion-proof computers represent a critical investment in long-term operational reliability and cost containment within hazardous environments. While the initial capital outlay is higher than for standard equipment, their importance is measured by their role in preventing catastrophic asset loss, avoiding monumental accident-related costs, and ensuring uninterrupted production. They protect the larger capital investments in plant, infrastructure, and processes by enabling safe monitoring and control at the source. Beyond safety, their rugged design ensures exceptional durability, resisting damage from chemicals, particulates, and harsh conditions that would quickly degrade standard computers. This drastically extends the equipment life cycle, reduces frequent replacement cycles, and minimizes unplanned downtime for IT failures.